Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. Every day, we would talk on the phone. Abishek even bought 24 hours free calls every day, so that whenever he would find time, he would call me. Toulezour, nous, kozé dans portable. Abishek, même, acheté, free call, 24 heures, temps, tous les jours, kumsa, quand l'époux trouve letemps, l'époux cause avec moi. He would never let me feel alone. He would ask if I am okay and share every single thing with me. For example, how was his day or how was mine? Zamais, laisse-moi, senti, tousel. Demandé, korek, partage. Zafer avec moi. Par exemple, comment ce jour tu étais et comment pour moi tu étais. Slowly, we got to know each other. And one thing I learned about him is that he is very possessive with the person he loves. He believes in what remains his is for him only. Doucement, nun kun saken ik en zafer qui mun apprend loli qui li bien possessif envers ban personne qui li content, li croire dans ce qui reste pour lui-même. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.